step into the Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks 180 amp alternator Ram active air, off-road package included, front performance tune shock absorbers off-road decal black wheel flares transfer case skid plate shield tow hooks rear performance tune shock absorbers, electric shift on the fly transfer case included, storage tray, tires, LT275/70R18E owl on off-road spray and bed liner, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, chrome tubular side steps, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and